gravity of the situation, our top scientists are dedicated to finding a cure. The military is actively containing the infected to ensure your safety. Thank you for your attention. Further updates will be promptly communicated as we receive them.
This urgent message is conveyed by the authorities of the Republic of Poland to inform and prepare our citizens for the escalating crisis. We regret to report that the supernatural parasite, responsible for the dire situation in Germany, has now infiltrated our borders, posing a serious threat to the safety and well-being of our citizens.